Hello Tweedledees and Tweedledudes, Miss Norris here again, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about parallel and perpendicular lines. So, grab a parent, grab a snack, and let's get started. The vocabulary we're going to talk about in this lesson are parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines. Let's talk about the word parallel. No, not that parallel. What? In geometry, we use the word parallel to describe lines and line segments. Parallel lines and line segments are equal distance apart and they never cross or intersect. Some places that we see parallel lines are on a football field, a road, railroad tracks, piano keys, and the equal sign. The word parallel even has parallel lines. Can you see them?
Yes.
Can you make parallel lines with your arms? Put them just like this. Make sure they're as straight as they can go and they're about the same distance apart. Parallel. If we were asked to describe these lines, what would we say? We would say that line DE is parallel to line FG. If we wanted to write that information down, how would we write it? Well, it would look a little something like this. This sign actually means parallel. Now it's your turn. Can you describe these lines? Did you say that line AB is parallel to line CD? Awesome. Now see if you can write that down using the symbol that I showed you earlier. Did you write it like this? Yeah! Great. The next type of line I want to talk about are intersecting lines. Intersect means to cross. That means that intersecting lines are going to meet at exactly one point.
It's great to meet you. Hi.
Can you make intersecting lines with your arms? Just take your arms and cross them right in front of you. Intersecting. If I asked you to describe these lines, what would you say? We would say that line HI is intersecting line JK at point X. Don't forget to include where the lines actually cross. X marks the spot. If we wanted to write that information down, it would look something like this. No fancy symbols here for intersecting. You just write the word intersecting. It's your turn again. How would you describe these lines? Did you say that line AC is intersecting line BE at point D? Awesome. Did you know there are actually special kinds of intersecting lines?
What?
Perpendicular lines are a special kind of intersecting line.
What makes them so special?
Their corners square up. Lines that cross once and form perfect square corners are what we call perpendicular lines. We see perpendicular lines in this addition sign, the American Red Cross, the letter T, and your kitchen floor are just a few of the perpendicular lines that you've seen. Perpendicular lines are both intersecting and perpendicular.
Wow!
Can you make perpendicular lines with your arms? Just like intersecting lines, but turn it straight up and down to create a T. Awesome. If we needed to describe these lines, what would we say? We would say that line NO is perpendicular to line LM. If we wanted to write that information down, it would look a little something like this. This symbol means perpendicular. It's your turn again. Can you describe these lines? Did you say that line AB is perpendicular to line XY? Great! Now let's see if you can write that down using the symbol I showed you before. Does it look something like this? Awesome. Now it's time to review. What kind of lines are these? Did you say parallel? Awesome. Show me those parallel arms. What kind of lines are these? Did you say intersecting? Awesome. Show me those intersecting arms. What kind of lines are these? Did you say intersecting and perpendicular? Wow. Show me those perpendicular arms. Great job! I think you've got it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one when we talk about classifying quadrilaterals. Bye, guys.